Human nature is fluid, adapting to its environment like water taking the shape of its container. This principle, echoed by poet Wallace Stevens, reveals a profound truth. People can be influenced, not through force, but through understanding psychological undercurrents. Robert Greene, in his studies of power and seduction, uncovered how subtle behavioral shifts can deepen attraction. Today, we explore 7 psychological tactics that, when used ethically, can make someone genuinely drawn to you. The power of scarcity. People instinctively value what isn't easily obtained. When you make your time and attention feel rare, not by playing games, but by having a fulfilling life, others naturally desire more of it. The key is balance. Be fully present when together, but independent when apart. This doesn't mean being distant. It means having a life so engaging that your presence becomes a privilege, not an expectation. The foot in the door technique, persuasion, often works in increments. If someone agrees to a small request like, "Do you like coffee?" they're more likely to say yes to a larger one later. "Let's grab some." This isn't manipulation, it's human nature. We like to stay consistent with our past actions. By starting small, you create a natural progression toward deeper connection. The allure of mystery. Curiosity is a powerful motivator. Revealing yourself slowly, like peeling back layers, keeps intrigue alive. Share enough to spark interest, but leave room for discovery. When someone feels they're uncovering you piece by piece, their fascination grows. Mystery isn't about secrecy, it's about pacing, letting attraction build organically. The push-pull dynamic attention, when given unpredictably, becomes magnetic. Alternate between warmth, the push, and independence, the pull. Show genuine interest, then return to your own goals. This rhythm creates a subtle tension, one that makes you compelling rather than predictable. The lesson? Be invested, but never needy. The triangle of desire. We want what others want. When someone sees you're admired by others, your value rises in their eyes. This isn't about inciting jealousy. It's about demonstrating social proof. Subtle hints that you're respected or desired elsewhere can amplify attraction. Not because you're playing games, but because you're someone worth pursuing, making them feel unique. Everyone wants to feel irreplaceable. When you're together, listen deeply. Remember small details. Put distractions aside. By making someone feel like the only person in the room, you create an emotional anchor, a sense that, with you, they're truly seen. Mirroring, the silent connector. We bond with those who reflect us. Subtly matching body language, speech patterns, or energy fosters comfort. Lean in when they do. Mirror their tone. This isn't imitation, it's synchronization, a quiet signal that you're in tune with their world. These tactics are tools, not weapons. Used ethically, they build trust and connection. Used selfishly, they destroy it. True persuasion isn't about control, it's about creating mutual desire. As Greene reminds us, seduction is a dance, not a conquest. Master the steps, but never forget the humanity behind them. Apply these principles and see how results work for you. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.